In this video, we'll show how you can create a storage connection string in Alpha Anywhere for Dropbox. So you'll start out by going to dropbox.com/developers and then going to the app console, and then you'll need to create a new application. So we'll go here, I'll create an application. We'll choose a scoped application, and we'll have our application connect to a specific folder in Dropbox. So I'll go there and then I'll give this app a name. I'll call this app Alpha Anywhere Test 8, and then go ahead and click create app. So this will create a new Dropbox app, and the next thing we need to do is go to permissions and set permissions. So we'll go here and we'll choose permissions. And then once we've set all of our permissions, we'll click the submit button. And it's very important that you set the permissions before you go ahead and get your tokens. So after we've created this, after we've set the permissions, we can go back to settings, and then we can go here and we can say we want an access token with no expiration. And then having done that, we can then go ahead and click the generate button. So we'll go ahead now and we'll generate our access token. So once this is generated, we'll copy this token to the clipboard. And now we'll go back into Alpha Anywhere and create our connection string. So now we're back at Alpha Anywhere, and we're going to go here now and say Tools, Storage Connection Strings, and we'll create a new storage connection string called say Dropbox demo. Go ahead here and we'll choose Dropbox, and then we can paste in the token that we just created over there. We can go ahead here and we can test our connection and then go ahead and click OK. So now we've created a storage connection string, and we can use all of the A5 storage functions to interact with our Dropbox folder. Thank you very much for watching.